10 years ago this weekend, Google reorganized under a new parent company called Alphabet, combining its moonshot businesses with its search and YouTube businesses. Mackenzie Sigalo says more in today's Tech Check. Mac, it's 10 years, but it feels like only a decade.
And investors are pretty bullish going into that 10-year anniversary weekend, with shares firmly in the black year to date, even as it stares down a DOJ remedies decision that could land any day, one that might crack the door to breaking up the company, all while it's in a knife fight to defend search from ChatGPT and claw back lost ground in AI. Now, the stock's been trading at one of the lowest multiples in the Mag 7, about 20x forward earnings versus peers in the 40s, despite owning some of the most valuable businesses in tech. And that's the irony, as Alphabet marks the anniversary of Google's restructuring. It was billed as a launchpad for moonshots like curing death and remaking cities, but a decade in, many of those bets have fizzled, and its real growth engines like YouTube, Cloud, and Waymo are trapped under one roof, valued like a search business. And that's why so many on Wall Street are running these so-called sum of the parts math, basically putting a price tag on each division, with YouTube's standalone value projected to be close to $500 billion, search at $1.25 trillion, and Cloud at about half of that. You add them up and it would tack on $600 billion to Alphabet's market cap. But Eamon, that's hardly the outcome the company wants, as it looks to keep its increasingly sprawling empire together.